Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all well. My name is Crypto Tiger and we're going to have a look at a project called Cardana. I hope you're as excited as I am. So without further ado, let's look at the website. It looks really neat. On the top we have all the important tabs that will help us maneuver through the website, like about the project, services, the app, roadmap, token, how to buy, FAQs, audit, and media. So we're going to go through all of them, but introducing Cardana, an international decentralized peer-to-peer lending platform that allows you to borrow against your crypto assets. It's redefining credit with crypto-backed lending. You can buy the card token straight away in here, and there's also a Medium article that I recommend you guys go through. It's really interesting. You can learn a lot about the project, so yeah, just check it out. Below we also have all the social media. We have the Telegram group, Discord, channel, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, and you can email them as well. So Cardana is a decentralized lending platform. It's built on a peer-to-peer model in which borrowers and lenders interact directly without the need of a bank, broker, or financial intermediary. With the pandemic, it has been more difficult to conduct transactions through banks and financial intermediaries. So this will get rid of all the headaches everyone has been experiencing lately. It allows lenders to provide liquidity and receive interest in return, allows borrowers to borrow any amount they want for however long by providing collateral, eliminating the need for any registration or know your customer process. This has never been done before really in cryptocurrency world, and this is a DeFi at its finest, a crowdfunding lending platform for everyone, everywhere, at any time. So why borrow with Cardana and why lend with Cardana? So for the borrowers, there's no fees, no origination, application or membership fees, no inconveniences like skip paperwork, credit checks and branch visits, no questions asked. They value privacy and don't inquire about the purpose of the loan, no personal liability, collateral will be stabilized as the loan to value ratio exceeds 90%. No upside limit, so you never make money out of a bank loan, but a crypto-backed loan allows you to make money when your crypto appreciates. And why would people lend with Cardana? So first of all, it's safe. The value of the collateral is always greater than the loan. Accessible, low capital requirement. You can lend as little as $1. Huge demand. 80 million BSC token holders versus 1.5 million BTC holders. It's quick. The whole process can take less than 1 minute. High interest rate, so the opportunity to earn significantly higher returns than in traditional financial markets. Interest rates are negative in Europe. So the lenders are happy to lend on Cardana despite no KYC or verification process because they can enjoy great returns. In addition to interest income, Cardana allows lenders to farm the collateral and earn extra yields. Hence, a win-win for both borrowers and lenders. Investors can earn passive income by simply holding the tokens, as half of the transaction tax goes to hodlers and the other half goes to the liquidity pool to increase the price floor. So just investing in this token will give you the ability to earn passive income, and who doesn't love it? Who doesn't love a passive income? So as some of you might know, the crypto market has increased rapidly over the past 5 years, from under $10 billion total market capitalization in 2016 to 2.5 trillion in May 2021. Nearly 300 million people around the world now hodl crypto assets, and the majority are young adults aged between 25 and 34 years. On top of this, crypto has been experiencing more mass adoption as time goes by, with companies and consumers using crypto for more than ever. So while young adults are more likely to be invested in crypto assets, It also goes without saying that young adults are also more likely to have no or less cash savings. Oftentimes, this age group is faced with challenging conundrum deciding whether to sell a crypto asset they believe in long term because of the need of short-term cash. But now you never have that problem again. Cardana allows crypto hodlers to receive liquid funds without selling their cryptocurrencies. Now, individuals who need liquidity funds but want to hodl their crypto assets, either because they accept the crypto assets value to increase or want to avoid short-term capital gain taxes, can simply take out a loan on Cardana. This way you have funds to use without affecting your investment whatsoever. So following with the Cardana decentralized application, or the DApp, it allows lenders to deposit the crypto assets into liquidity pools without users, which users then borrow from, creating what's known as a liquidity market. Cardana hosts markets for a number of crypto assets trading on the Binance Smart Chain, the BSC, including riskier but popular tokens such as the SafeMoon token, as well as stable coins like the BUSD. Borrowers can withdraw funds from the liquidity pool by providing collateral. The app is not live just yet and will be releasing very soon. So we have some of the steps of how it works. The first step is a borrower submits a loan request via the Cardana app. The second step is borrower transfers collateral to the smart contract. Third is lenders accept the request and transfer the funds to the smart contract. Next, borrower receives the funds once there are sufficient lenders. And the last steps, the borrower repays the loan and withdraws collateral. The Cardana app will be live very soon, but the design have started for the app, so it's coming close to being live on their website and on the App Store. Although it is early days in the project, they already have gained just over 300 hodlers and have recently applied to CoinGecko and are waiting to be accepted any minute for now. In 2022, Cardana will begin accepting deposits, providing services to institutions that allow users to send and receive tokens on the platform. So next we have the roadmap, but before that we can maybe talk a bit about the origins of the project. I think it's quite important and interesting. So Cardana was found when a group of friends invested in some BSC tokens during the peak a few months ago and had unrealized losses. However, these investors were unwilling to sell because they truly believed in the fundamentals of these tokens and that they will ultimately rebound in long term. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, lockdowns in Australia and even all over the world, some of them has lost their jobs and were forced to sell as they were running short on cash and needed the funds for, necessities. And this is where Cardana came in. The goal of this project is to help people like our friends and family who need the funds and have a collateral to borrow against the access cash seamlessly without giving away their upside in the tokens. So looking at the roadmap, in July 2021, conceptualization of Cardana, PancakeSwap listing, liquidity locked, and collaborations with influencers. In August 2021, so it's this month, the security audit has been done, and more to come. This month, the white paper will be released, decentralized application UI UX preview, CoinMarketCap listing, and CoinGecko listing. So that's really nice. Coming up this month. Next month, however, there's a launch of decentralized application, so stay tuned for that. Decentralized exchange listing and team expansion. So they evolving and growing. The fourth quarter of 2021 and onwards, the card token holders begin to earn passive income from each loan transaction. accepts popular BSC tokens as collateral, accepts deposit, Cardana Pay, send and receive tokens on the Cardana D app, Cardana debit card, credit card, and the Cardana Pro services for institution and high net worth individuals. And below we have the token info. So the name of the token is obviously Cardana. We have the ticker symbol here. Maximum supply is 1 billion. Transaction tax 10%, 5% for the hodlers, and 5% liquidity. There's a contract address here and a general description. The Cardana D app will be backed by our utility token, Cardana Card. The card token investors make money with every loan transacted on our Cardana D app, not currently live, of course. Investors also earn passive income by simply holding the tokens, as half of the transaction tax goes to hodlers and the other half goes to liquidity pool to increase the price floor. You can also buy the token in here. The button's a bit closer. And also there's some of the features of the token. So the utility token, hodlers make money with every loan transacted on the Cardana app, get paid to hodl, continuously rising price floor, and it's really safe. So the Cardana D app will be fully audited before launch. After that, we have the token distribution, allocation of the funds. As I mentioned, the total supply is 1 billion. Half of it goes into liquidity, 15% is the product development, another 15% is for the marketing, founding team and future team is both 7.5% each, and the airdrop is 5%. You can buy it easily with MetaMask or Trust Wallet, so all you have to do is download MetaMask, load your wallet with BNB, set up the BSC network, select the card token, adjust slippage to 12%, should be fine, and then, yeah, swap away. The last bit is the frequently asked questions, so everything has been answered in here if you're still interested about any of these topics here. But before we finish, I would like to present you an example of how it all works to show you the power of the project really. So say you need $10,000 of BUSD today to pay for a nice holiday for you and your wife, but you do not want to sell your cake tokens because you made a killer profit from it. And you don't want to pay the capital gains tax on it as well. So, but more importantly, you're in it for the long haul. That's the important bit, right? So instead, you can now go to Cardana the app and submit a request for the investor pool to borrow $10,000 using your cake tokens as collateral. You review your terms and interest rate, and then you send your collateral to the smart contract, which is going to act as a custodian. Very soon, a lender accepts your offer and agrees to lend you $2,500, sending the amount to the smart contract. Then, say 2 other lenders agree to lend you $4,000 and $3,500 respectively, with the sum adding up to $10,000. The process is now complete. You have the money, the loan is initiated, and you receive $10,000 of BUSD from the smart contract. Notice how easy and straightforward it is without any paperwork, credit check, or branch visit. After just 1 year, you return $11,000 of BUSD, $10,000 of which is interest, to the smart contract and withdraw your cake tokens, at which point they have gone up by 50%. This means not only you're not paying any cost, but you have actually earned 40%. So it becomes a win-win scenario for everyone where both parties are able to benefit financially from it, because the value of the collateral is always higher than the loan. Cardana gives lenders extra protection that banks do not usually provide, and these include things as mentioned before, like low capital requirement, high interest rate. It's safe, it's quick, there's a huge demand, and you never make money out of a bank loan, but with crypto-backed loan, it allows you to earn when cryptocurrency appreciates. Essentially, you can just borrow for free. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you liked Cardano as much as I did. Honestly, it's a great project and worth checking it out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Check the description for all the links. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Have a nice one. Bye for now.